In the ever-evolving world of smartphone accessories, PITAKA stands as a brand that consistently blends innovation, elegance, and practicality. Their latest creation, the PITAKA Sunset Magnetic Woven Wallet, is a testament to this philosophy. Built with precision, infused with cutting-edge materials, and designed with everyday utility in mind, this wallet offers a premium experience that redefines what a MagSafe-compatible wallet can be. The PITAKA Sunset Magnetic Woven Wallet isn't just an accessory, it's a statement. By combining innovative materials, powerful magnetics, smart engineering, and minimalist design, PITAKA has created a wallet that doesn't compromise on style, safety, or usability. Whether you're a tech-savvy commuter, a minimalist enthusiast, or someone who appreciates premium craftsmanship, this wallet is built to elevate your daily carry. If you're looking for a sleek, secure, and stylish magnetic wallet that complements your MagSafe ecosystem, the PITAKA Sunset Magnetic Woven Wallet is as refined as it gets.